friends, my name is Millie and welcome to my kitchen. Are you a big fan of kidney beans, same as me? Then I have a perfect recipe for you. Today we will be making kidney beans crunch wrap. This is nothing but a wrap serving in a different way. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let's start with our kidney beans mixture. So I have taken one pan, it's already hot. I'm going to add some olive oil. You can use any oil. To this I'm going to add finely chopped garlic. Cook this until it turns into golden brown color. So our garlic has turned now in golden color. So at this time we will be adding kidney beans, sweet corn, optional, tomatoes. Take good amount of it. Italian seasoning, red chili flakes, red chili powder, cumin powder, tomato paste, salt to taste, some lemon juice, and last one, fresh coriander leaves. Look at these different colors. It looks so amazing and looks so healthy. And yes, of course, it is healthy. So now let's mix this well. I mix this well, and now I'm going to let this cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, it's done. It's beautiful smell with garlic, cumin powder, chili flakes, Italian herbs. It is simply beautiful. So now it's done, and we will transfer this to another bowl to let this completely cool. So now let's prepare our salad. Here I have cut some onion, some carrot, some lettuce and some red cabbage. So I'm going to transfer this into a plate or bowl. Into this I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice. I'm going to ground some black pepper and some salt. Mix well. Now into this I will be adding some avocados. That's it. So now let's assemble our crunch wrap. Our kidney beans mixture is completely cooled down. So now let's start our fun part. So as I mentioned, we will be preparing our wrap in a different way. So I have taken a large tortilla here. Into this I'm going to apply garlic sauce. You can apply mayonnaise as well. Now I will be adding some cheese. Into this now I will be adding our kidney beans mixture. Now on top of this I will be adding small size tortilla. If you don't want to use tortilla, you simply can make chapatis in a large size and a small size. Now on this tortilla I'm going to apply some ketchup. I'm going to again put some cheese. And top of this I'm going to add some salad. Of this now I'm going to place another small tortilla. And I'm going to start wrapping the large tortilla onto this small tortilla like this. Because we have applied garlic sauce on a large tortilla, so our tortilla has stick onto small tortilla very well like this. It looks so nice. Now I'm going to turn it over and put it in our hot pan. Gently. I'm going to apply some butter here. You can use oil if you want. Now we will let this cook for 1 minute. It has been cooking on a medium heat for 1 minute. Now gently flip it over. Here we go. Isn't it looking beautiful? Wrap in a different way. Now I'm also going to apply some butter on this side. I flip this again. Look at this crunchiness in our wrap. Our kidney beans crunch wrap is ready now. So let's serve. Our crunch wrap is ready. It's nice and crispy for both sides. Look at this. It's completely sealed from this side. See? Now let's cut this gently. Look at this, guys. It's properly layered. Nice and crispy. See? Crispy, yummy kidney beans crunch wrap is ready to eat. I'm serving my crunch wrap with tomato ketchup. You can serve your crunch wrap with any of your favorite sauce. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for future recipe. So see you soon with a new recipe. Bye for now. Take care.